Hey y'all, it's Michelle over here at Shelly Bird Garden. Today I'll be showing you how I was able to expand my garden over into this section of my backyard. I will be doing a product review as well. So this is actually going to be a garden expansion makeover and a Vegega garden bed review at the same time. So let's start opening the box. So looking inside the box, everything is neat in here. This will be a slate gray heart-shaped bed. It's going to be 17 inches tall, and these are the braces. This is the corner piece to the heart. Here's the rubber edging. Here's I'm assuming this is the bed instructions. And here it is. So this isn't too heavy. I'm lifting it out by myself. Each piece has plastic film on it. So this should be the pack of screws. And I'll insert some quick fast-forwarded clips to show you how easy it was to put this bed together and add some transplants into this lovely new heart-shaped raised bed. And this is how the new garden bed is looking. And I'm very happy with the way the heart shape came out. I'll be using that box at the bottom of my bed in a minute, so that's why I just threw that in there. So let's take a look on the back of the box before I break it down into the bottom of this bed here. Eco-friendly also goes for recyclable, because when you're done with this bed, after the decades or 20 plus years, you can actually take this apart and recycle it. So it also says high wear resistance, great for kids and seniors, strong heat dissipation. Okay, so let's get started on cutting this box up so I can go ahead and start putting the material at the bottom of the bed before I start filling in the dirt. So this is how my bed is looking with dirt. Okay, so let's get to planting. And this is just some leftover wood mulch that I'm spreading around the base of my plants. And here's the bed with the flowers and vegetables inside. I'm so happy with how it turned out. And I do love heart-shaped things, so the slate gray color goes well in my yard. I like the way it's contrasting with the green planters that I have right behind it. And so far, these plants are loving their new heart-shaped home. And all the plants in this heart-shaped raised bed are transplants. I took different parts of my garden. And these are dwarf tomatoes. They shouldn't grow too much taller. This is red Russian kale, and this is dino kale, also known as lacinato kale. These right here are petite tomatoes. I think these are Florida petite tomatoes. Here's another marigold. More marigolds. Here's some sweet basil, and here's some purple basil. This is another marigold. And these small tomato plants right here, these are Roma tomato seedlings. And these are some red Detroit beets. I do plan to plant some fall seeds into the ground right here in these empty spots. And I'm so happy that I was able to get these plants planted so quickly. As soon as I ordered the bed, it was here within like 2 or 3 days after ordering. And this bed is adding a touch of love and beauty into the section of the yard. It's a pine needle. And the 17-inch height of the garden bed is perfect for just being able to sit down here and be able to garden without having to bend all the way down to the ground. I can just reach right over and tend to my plants. And not only is it less bending down, there is a brown rabbit that does come in the backyard sometimes. So this 17-inch height should keep that rabbit from jumping up into this garden bed and trying to eat my kale and my beets right here. So with this being a review, I do recommend Vegega products. I do have a lot of raised beds in my garden, and this is a top quality raised bed. It does have strong metal sheets. I'm loving how it has the rubber edging around each section of the bed. And these beds do last up to 20 years plus, so it should last for decades due to the metal design of these beds. And based on how easy it was to put together, I do give Vegega A plus on this review. So go check out the Vegega website. These raised beds do come in multiple colors. I do have a link to their website that I'll place inside the description of this video. And while you are there, you can use my code ShellyBird to save 10%.